is up, you guys? It's Joelle and welcome to my channel. For those of you guys who are new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe to join the J team, where no one's a bench warmer, everyone's a playmaker. Today, as you can probably tell from the title of this video, it's a little something different from what I normally do. I feel like I do a lot of vlogs and advice, and today I'm following a NikkieTutorials makeup tutorial to see for you guys. I've seen these videos on a lot of various channels and I just thought it'd be a kind of hysterical trend to try because I'm not a makeup artist. For those of you guys who have been following me since like the attempted makeup days, you guys know that I was not an expert. But I never lost my passion for makeup. I always loved it. I have fun doing it for myself. But I chose to do a NikkieTutorials tutorial because love NikkieTutorials. I just think she's so funny and I watch all of her videos. And B, I probably could not have chosen a makeup artist whose style is further from my personal makeup style, which is just glitter and crazy and colors. And this tutorial that I chose in particular is one of her most vibrant ones as of late, and it's her Glam Around the World Gary and New York City, and it's got red and blue and everything and glitter and all that stuff. I actually own 0 of the products that she used, so I'm attempting this with cheaper makeup. I would love to try the makeup products that she uses one day. Anyways, that's enough talking. Let's just get on with the tutorial.
It's called Shameless Foundation by Marc Jacobs.
Okay, so what she's starting off with doing is putting on her foundation and using a makeup sponge to blend it in. I actually don't really use foundation. I use BB cream most of the time. So the closest, heaviest coverage thing I have is this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So she's putting on with a makeup sponge. Should I do that too? So I'll put some on my hand, like so, and start to apply. Okay, this is taking too long. I'm just gonna put it directly on my face. I'm gonna look like a Wakandan warrior or something really quick. And then I'm just gonna blend it in with this little beauty sponge. Wow, she uses a lot of foundation concealer. So maybe I need to use more. My little meager doe foot applicators is not pulling its weight right now. That kind of worked.
All right, brows are done, and now let's move on to some crazy eyes.
She went ahead and did her eyebrows off camera, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick off camera. She always does like pretty nice, smoothly arched brows, so I'm gonna do that. All right, I'm back. My brows are looking nice and bold, just like she does hers, so feeling good. The closest thing that I have to the eyeshadows that she's using is my old Sephora Storybook palette with Aladdin. It's definitely not as intense as hers, but we're just gonna make do and see how it goes.
I'm gonna be priming with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Color Concealer.
She uses concealer to prime her eyes. So let's do that. And I actually don't have a concealer brush like that she's using, so I'm gonna use a little tip to my beauty blender.
I'm gonna go in with this red shade first called Izava.
Alrighty, so now I'm likewise taking that red shade and just with a little just a little blending brush and just start blending. She just throws it all on there and blends it out, so we're gonna try to do the same thing. Okay, got this loaded up. So much comes off. Definitely not as pigmented as hers. This eyeshadow also has like a shimmer to it, which hers does not. Hers is like a deep, deep matte red. Doing my best out here.
I'm cutting the lid with that concealer again, and I want to do a spotlight colorful creative eye today. Taking that shimmering white highlighter shade, and this is going right over top.
Nikkie is going in on us today, you guys. I've never in my life attempted the whole like cut crease thing, so of course when I'm making a YouTube video and filming myself, a good time to try. But I'm gonna use the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is the glitteriest, most glittery thing that I own. So I'm gonna just take that in a little flat eyeshadow brush and try to get this look down. To me, this is the scariest part right now because I've just never done it in my life. So yeah, where even is my crease? How do I find it? Oh no. I'm making a huge mess. Nope. No, 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 no. It just looks like I spilled on myself. Nikkie, for real? What? Can I clean that up? Nope. Oh, Nope, it's set. Can't clean it. It's just like that. Okay, at least we have redemption maybe with the other eye. Oh, that one went so much better. Lol. Okay, well that looks drastically different from the other eye, but it's okay. We're just going for accuracy, so at least one of my eyes is accurate. I'm fanning it out a little bit on the bottom. I feel like I need more just to balance out that eye. Now I widen that one out too much too. Okay, well, this is what we're doing right now. And I got glitter on the rest of my face. Shoot. Let's move on. I'm done with this.
This is a neon orange, and I really want to put a small defined thin line at where the faux crease meets the color. Please don't let me down.
Okay, I'm just gonna use this teensy little brush. Again, with the Storybook palette, there's an orange color. Again, not neon, not nearly as bright. So I'm gonna try to just trace along. It's almost completely invisible because it's not a cream. Close enough is kind of the motto of this video. Well, a little bit of orange is there if you can squint really hard and look at my eye.
Putting the blue down, and suddenly I'm asking myself, why blue? Regretting all my life decisions.
I have this Maybelline color tattoo. This is the bluest eyeshadow I own. I'm starting to bring that under my lash line. I think I should set it though with a little bit from the Princess Jasmine palette. We have this really bold blue color right here, so I'm just gonna use that. A little added punch.
Okay, so what happened was, it looked a little weird without a wing, so I added a wing, and then I was like, the blue is too contrasty compared to like what's going on top, so I added a little bit of purple, and I added a little bit of pink here. That's basically all that. Oh, and I added yellow to that. I changed a lot. Okay,
so she just jumped and then added some stuff. I gotta add a pink. She adds this like pink inner corner highlight, so I'm just adding a little bit of this from the little Sephora trio that I got in like high school. Ah, getting everywhere. I kind of look like a tropical bird right now. She also adds purple in the outer corner, which I think makes it look better. Conveniently have a little purple here, so I'm gonna use that one. I don't know how she like managed to not cover up that glitter with their purple, but NikkieTutorials, you amaze me. And then she just, bam, added some fake lashes and a wings liner. So I don't have any fake lashes, but I do have mascara. All right, I am back. I have eyeliner and mascara added, and honestly, it looks so much better in my opinion. Now that I have a little more definition to my eyes, it's not just like, blah, color, blah, blah, blah.
Today I'm going to bronze with this Marc Jacobs bronzer in the color Tantric.
I know how to bronze with a brush. I'm just using my little Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette. I'll take medium cocoa and chisel out my cheeks, and then I'll take dark cocoa and add a little bit more just all around my face. Cause I feel like she bronzes everywhere. My face is not used to having this much stuff on it. It feels so funny. It's like when I blink, it's like, okay, and she like swirls it all around her temple. It's almost like just using bronzer as face powder. You just end up putting it all over your face. We're all just trying to have that summertime glow when really we spend our hours in classrooms and office buildings. Okay, what's she doing next? Okay, I feel like she's adding blush now. She just kind of jumped ahead. Nikki, you're running without me. I'm just using this Bare Minerals blush in the shade The One. I feel like she's just kind of using like a kind of neutral rosy blush. So that's what this is. And I just blend it into my bronzer, kind of up my cheekbones.
Ooh, for highlighter today, Ofra came up with a brand new color. Look at that. It's like a soft pink blindingness. This is called Pillow Talk.
And okay, her highlighter is always bomb. It always looks good. I don't know where she gets all of these or where she even discovers these brands, but I'm jealous. Since I don't have the highlighter that she's using, I'm again just improvising with my little Stila kitten. It is both broken and hit pan on both the bronze and the pink shades. It just means that it's well loved. So I'm definitely adding more of the pinky side. And then I'm just gonna throw that on there. Oh, I feel like it made my face like significantly lighter, not just highlight. But that's okay. I'm just gonna blend it, right? Does that look highlight, you guys? I feel like it never looks as good when I do this. But on hers it looks so cute.
Okay, and then for lips, I have the brand new Fenty Beauty lipsticks right here. So I definitely want to wear one of those with this crazy look right here. This is up to no good.
As much as I would love to try the new Fenty lipsticks, we're just gonna substitute with this kind of peachy orange. This is Jen Im's collaboration with ColourPop in the shade Dohi. So I'm gonna see how this looks instead. It's quite orange though, so I'm a little worried.
Okay, and then a new gloss to kind of neutral it down.
Okay, and once that dries, I'm just gonna add the nude gloss. Instead, mine is the L'Oreal Barely Nude Infallible Gloss. And it will hopefully neutralize this really orange lip. Answer is kind of not really. All it did was add a little gloss. See if I can add more. Yeah, it still just looks orange, you guys. I believe this is it. I believe we're done. This is the look that I attempted to recreate in honor of NikkieTutorials. I would say, I don't know, I give myself a solid 7 out of 10. So right on the cusp of failing. You know, I was making do with a lot of different and cheaper products than she uses, so that is my excuse. I hope, Nikkie, if you ever see this, you are entertained or honored just that I would even attempt to touch what it feels like to be as glamorous as the NikkieTutorials. I would say for now, I'm gonna stick with my nudes. I would say the blending was not bad though. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me transform into a NikkieTutorials tutorial. Let me know what you guys give me. Do you guys, like, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being bad and 10 being the worst, let me know how you think I pulled off Nikkie's look. And again, if you've not yet subscribed, please feel free to do so down below. I do a myriad of different videos, stuff like this, to vlogs, to college advice. And if you have any video suggestions, please be sure to leave those in the comments down below so I can hear some feedback, which I love to hear from you guys. With that, I will bid you all adieu and go clean off all this gunk off my face because it feels like I'm wearing plastic. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Jesus loves you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. This is mad nasty, but look at all the cotton pads that I just used to get all that off my face.